It's a new product launch, absolutely fantastic. We've now put products into what we call
Diowyps impregnated cleaning cloths.
This one is Diomyx 4-in-1. We've got other products, including some of our top favourites. We've got virucidal cleaners, we've got food safe sanitizer, we've got Halo, cleaning the grease, we've got Vidia glass cleaner, which you know you love, and all you do, you wipe the surface with a wet wipe and then clean it off with a microfiber cloth. And I'm going to get one, because somebody should have put one here, but they didn't, they forgot. So, just hold on. Microfiber cloth, you see, magic. So what you do, you wipe the surface and then you clean it off. And it works as well as Diomyx 4-in-1. The beauty of it is, you've got no liquid sloshing around. It stays in that format because it's a sealed container for months. And there's just loads of benefits to it. So you're not spraying, overspraying or anything like that. And here's some images that we got the other day when we tried it out on my motor. So there we go then, Diowyps, and that's Diomyx 4-in-1 in wiper format. Fantastic all-round product. Use it inside or outside the vehicle, and you can use it on furniture, in the office, around the workshop, anything you want if you want to clean and wax the surface. So there you go.